today's video lecture, we are going to study linker and loader. Now, how we define linker? A linker or link editor is a computer system program that takes one or more object files generated by a compiler or an assembler and combines them into a single executable file, library file, or another object file. Other way we define linker is a program in a system which helps to link object modules of a program into a single object file. Now the meaning of both the definition is same. So linker performs the process of linking. Linker also called as link editors. Linking is process of collecting and maintaining piece of code and data into a single file. Linker also link a particular module into system library. It takes object modules from the assembler as input and forms an executable file as output for loader. Linking is performed at both compile time, when the source code is translated into machine code, and load time, when the program is loaded into memory by the loader. Linking is performed at the last step in compiling a program. See the figure. Linking is of two types. First type of linking is a static linking, and second type of linking is dynamic linking. Now in static linking, static linking is performed during the compilation of source code. It is performed before the execution. In static linking, it takes collection of reallocatable object file and command line argument and generate fully linked object file that can be loaded and run. Static linker performs two major tasks. Now first task is a symbol resolution. Symbol resolution associates each symbol reference with exactly one symbol definition. Every symbol have predefined tasks. And the second task is reallocation. Reallocation reallocate code and data section and modify symbol references to the reallocated memory location. So the linker copy all library routines used in the program into executable image. As a result, it requires more memory space, as it does not require the presence of library on the system when it is run. So it is faster and more portable, no failure chance and less error chance. Now the second type of linking is a dynamic linking. Dynamic linking is performed during the runtime. This linking is accomplished by placing the name of a shareable library in the executable image. There is more chances of errors and failure chances. It requires less memory space, as multiple programs can share a single copy of the library. Here we can perform code sharing. It means we are using a same object a number of times in the program. Instead of linking same object again and again into the library, each module share information of an object with other module having same name. The shared library needed in the linking is stored in virtual memory to save RAM. In this linking, we can also reallocate the code for the smooth running of code, but all the code is not reallocatable. It fixes the address at runtime. Now the next topic is loader, and we define loader is a special program that takes input of object code from the linker, loads it to main memory, and prepares this code for execution by the computer. So this is the simple definition of loader. Loader allocates memory space to program. Even it settles down symbolic reference between objects. It in charge of loading programs and libraries in operating system. The embedded computer systems don't have loaders. In them, code is executed through ROM. Generally, loader has three types of approach. The first approach is absolute loading, second approach is reallocatable loading, and third one is dynamic runtime loading. Next topic is what is the difference between linker and loader. Now first difference is the main function of linker is to generate executable files, whereas main objective of loader is to executable files to main memory. Second difference is the linker takes input of object code generated by compiler or assembler, and the loader takes input of executable files generated by linker. Third difference is linking can be defined as process of combining various pieces of codes and source code to obtain executable code. Loading can be defined as process of loading executable codes to main memory for further execution. Fourth difference is linker is of two types: linkage editor and dynamic linker. Loader is of three types: absolute loading, reallocatable loading, and dynamic runtime loading. Next difference is another use of linker is to combine all object modules. It helps in allocating the address to executable codes and files in a loader. And the last difference is linker is also responsible for arranging objects in program address space, and whereas loader is also responsible for adjusting references which are used within the program. Now this is the difference between linker and loader.